Controlling your Vizio television with your Fios remote means no more switching between two remotes every time you watch television. Verizon Fios are designed to work with virtually every major television brand including Vizio, and the setup is simpler than you think. Before starting the programming process, make sure both your Fios box and your Vizio television are fully powered on. Vizio TVs use specific 4-digit codes that tell your Fios remote exactly how to communicate with them. There are several working codes for Vizio TVs. We will start with the most commonly successful one first. The Fios remote programming method works for all current Fios remote models, including the standard and voice versions. Begin by powering on your Vizio television manually using the physical button on the back or side of the television. Make sure the Vizio SmartCast home screen is fully visible before beginning the programming sequence. Pick up your Fios remote and locate two specific buttons, the OK button and the 0 button. The OK button sits in the center of the directional pad and the 0 button is on the number pad below. Press and hold both the OK button and the 0 button at exactly the same time without releasing either. Hold both buttons firmly together for a full 3 seconds. Count slowly to make sure you hold long enough. Watch the LED light at the very top of your Fios remote. It will flash exactly twice to confirm programming mode. 2 LED flashes is your confirmation signal. The remote is now ready to accept your Vizio television code. If the LED does not flash twice, release both buttons completely and repeat the process from the beginning with the remote in programming mode. Enter the first Vizio television code. Press 0081 on the number pad. Enter each digit slowly and deliberately 0081, making sure each button press registers correctly. Point your Fios remote directly at your Vizio television from a distance of about 5 feet. After entering the code, press the power button on the Fios remote once and watch your Vizio television carefully for any response. If the Vizio television powers off immediately, your code has been accepted and programming is successful. Press the power button again to turn the Vizio television back on and confirm consistent power control working. Test your volume buttons immediately. Press volume up and confirm the on-screen volume bar response. Volume control working confirms the Fios remote has full audio management over your Vizio television. Press the mute button and listen for the television audio to cut out. Mute icon should appear on screen. Test the input button and confirm the Vizio television displays its input selection menu on command. If the first code 0081 does not work, try these alternative Vizio codes 0012 or 1158 or 05. Repeat the full programming sequence with each alternative code until you find the one your Vizio responds to. Older Vizio television models and newer SmartCast models sometimes require different codes. Trying all options always finds the right one. Once every button is confirmed working, power, volume, mute, input and channels, your programming is fully complete. From this moment forward, your single Fios remote controls everything, your Fios box and your Vizio television perfectly together.